Thermage has been a major addition to the field of cosmetic dermatology, specifically when it comes to tightening the skin of the jawline, the lower face, and the neck. Over the past few years, the improvement in technology has been dramatic, and so have the improvement in results. And so what we tell our patients now is more than 95% of patients will see noticeable results by 6 months after treatment. Many of them see it immediately after treatment. And then there are some very interesting observations about the way that Thermage treatments can prevent future aging, which I'll talk about in just a minute. What you can see here is our patient who's being treated has a black tattoo grid on. It's temporary. It's removed right after the treatment is finished. And you can see in some of the areas that are being treated, he's turning red, and that's expected. That redness is an indication that he's had enough heat to cause the collagen tightening that will make him look better after treatment. And that redness goes away within a half an hour after treatment. You can also see that he's very comfortable. He's smiling and talking to our nurse. And that's one of the most important advances in Thermage over the past few years. Pain is now a thing of the past. So no matter what you read or see on the internet, this procedure no longer hurts when the newer technology is used. And this is a dramatic change. So now what's really nice is we can treat our patients in an hour. They have virtually no recovery except for maybe a half an hour of the redness. You can even see his redness is disappearing during the treatment. And sometimes right after the treatment, patients feel that they notice results. But what's really important, it's what I mentioned a little bit earlier, is the preventive aspects of Thermage. We now know, based on some new research, that Thermage, when done consistently over years, will help prevent people from looking older. And that's sort of fascinating stuff. And most importantly, is it's predictable in virtually 100% of our patients. So now you can get two benefits from Thermage. You can get immediate skin tightening that makes you look better within a month, and you get long-term prevention. And most of our patients are now doing Thermage every 2 to 4 years to get that preventive benefit. It works equally well in men and women. Patients who have super thin skin sometimes don't do as well. And patients who are really heavy probably could benefit from something else. So we now have a procedure that in 1 hour, with no pain, can tighten skin, and really importantly, can also prevent patients from looking older down the road if they keep up with treatments every few years. So it's a great way to get your jawline and your neck tighter, and it's something that would be a nice way for many people, especially those over the age of 40, to keep looking young.